We finally made it to the land of nightmares and dreams. I never thought we'd make it here.
It looks so creepy.
Creatures that could rip you limb from limb, disembowel you, and send your soul into outer darkness.
I'm scared.
Dark riders, black specters, goblins.
I can't go in there.
And even 7th and 8th graders.
I miss Treasure. I miss Bobby. Remember, guys, Bandos warned us that this would happen.
I must warn you that some of you will fall along the way.
It's what Treasure and Bobby would have wanted us to do. For Treasure. For Bobby. This place looks really, really scary. It looks like people died here. Can you tell us the way back to our school? Maybe we should find the fairy princess to help us find our way out. Excuse me, have you seen the fairy princess?
Well, I thought I was the fairy princess.
No, I'm not. Oh, there she is! Yes, the people fairy princess!
I'm right here. I'm right here. I am the fairy princess. Do you have my tiara?
Have you seen fairy princess?
Wait a minute. That's what happened to my scene.
I guess yes. Did you get
I
that?
have a question.
What?
Was she really small? The fairy princess. I'm pretty sure I had her for breakfast.
Want me to ask her? Alright, you want me to? Wait, no, I'll get my door! Oh. Get her attention. Okay.
Do you know where the fairy princess is? There is none. We killed her.
I know. You know where the fairy princess is?
Did you meet Lavarian?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
No, I had to hide. No, I had to hide.
How are you today? Oh my God! Look, it's one of Sorry Man's dark riders. We have to escape. Just joking. do we have to pay you to tell us the way out of here?
I'll just have some of that candy. Give me your candy, Earthling.
Tori, do you have any candy?
I don't have any candy. Do you have any candy?
I don't have any candy. Just go away, little man.
To escape this place, you must first pass the test. By the exit, you'll find the one who snores.
Snoring man?
The snoring man in slumber. He'll help you find your way out. By passing the test, you'll prove yourselves fit. You must conquer the bat and spew magic chunks. Only then will the snoring man stand and show you the way out of the land of nightmares and dreams.
Did you spew?
Man, I blew chunks. There were Twizzlers, Skittles, and Starbursts.
That works. Please, snoring man, tell us the way out of this place.
You must wait until the midnight hour and the dance of the zombies. When they have thrilled you, you might slip past them and escape through the exit. Then go through the dark forest